Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Beko washing machine. It's pretty simple, so this is something we need to do. So on this Beko machine, you are going to always find a text, and under that button, you are going to find this lock button. And that means this is for locking and unlocking. And what you want to do here, it's fast plus. So here you would just press and hold the fast plus for about 3 to 5 seconds, and it's going to unlock the washing machine. Or for this button, for this Beko, it's extra rinse. So extra rinse, and again you're gonna have the same symbol. You just want to press and hold it for 3 to 5 seconds, and this is how you're gonna unlock your Beko washing machine. Pretty simple, pretty easy, but this is how you're gonna do it. So you just want to locate where you're going to have this lock symbol. And what can also happen, you can have the lock symbol for 2 buttons. It would be connected like this, and here you're gonna have the lock symbol. And you just want to press then those 2 buttons. So either you can have 1 button or 2 buttons. Have a great day and goodbye.